In this experiment, a soft robotic arm combines algae-powered biopumps with silicone muscles to pick and place delicate plants. Researchers outline objectives to showcase sustainable actuation, measure leaf gentleness, and reduce waste in urban farming workflows. A biologist explains how the algae's photosynthetic pressure drives a hydrogel piston, while engineers tune response time through light cues. Interviews with the lead scientist reveal challenges of sterility, longevity, and scaling, followed by a robotics ethicist weighing implications. The project ends with a practical demo showing resilient, plant-friendly manipulation and a discussion on biohybrid futures and food security.